What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Verasity and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure you join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here. We do get requests for this all the time, so we try and do some regular updates on it now. We're working on some more updates for some different altcoins as well, so stay tuned for that. We're going to be looking at EOS and some other stuff that people have been requesting a lot. But obviously, we're just trying to do the stuff that we know best for now. Take a look at the TA and then work from there. So just taking a look at Verasity then, we can see quite clearly, it's pretty much come up. It's done exceptionally well here, hasn't it? You can see we've formed our range here in May, quite clearly. We come down, all the way down here, we find a bottom, we come all the way back up. We pretty much, hit our heads against that previous level of support, flipped into resistance. And then since then, that big descending wedge like most cryptos, bouncing, heading to the downside. We're in that downtrend, aren't we? High, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. And then we have the fake out to the downside with Bitcoin going below 30k. And then since then, big bounce to the upside, broke through the 20, touched the 50, very bullish consolidation in between the two AMAs. We come all the way up. We have a nice little next consolidation phase, don't we? Another absolute tear. We break through the range that we were forming absolutely massively. We come all the way up to a previous level of resistance here, up at around 4 cents. Since then, we have had a little bit of rolling over, haven't we? Which is perfectly acceptable because you can see this is very parabolic price action, isn't it? And even though we've had some little consolidation phases, which is good to see, because there'll be good support if things do start to, roll over and roll over. But it's pretty clear that, we needed a bit of cooling off, didn't we? Because this is massively bullish price action, and we did need to see a bit of a correction just to find some levels of support, didn't we? So we would be, heavily anticipating coming back down and retesting the 20, just like we are for a lot of cryptos today, and also coming back down to that previous resistance of the range flipped into support. This kind of area here, we do think there's a lot of confluence for a good bounce here. And we do think, this would be a very nice little place to come back down and bounce before, coming back up and trying to tackle that 4 cent level again. Because, we've had a really crazy, basically vertical run up. And we do want to see ourselves coming and down, cooling off, making some support, building our way back up before going again. Because if you do start coming up really fast like this, there's obviously always the chance that you can come back down just as quick. So you can see we are starting to roll over quite a lot here. We're already back down below 3 cents, which is around a 25% down in the past few days, 31% down. So obviously Verasity is looking for that support right now, isn't it? And we are finding a little bit of support currently at this level here, which is, a decent previous level of structure, we would say. There's, a decent amount of confluence in this area here. And, coming into this previous swing high here, to suggest that this would be a decent area for a bounce. Not to mention this is probably a decent fib retracement area, we would say as well. So there's quite a lot of confluence to suggest that Verasity is rolling over right now, isn't it? It's looking for that support, and we probably do think that this 20 moving average is where it's going to find it. A lot of cryptos, ETH for example, and a lot of other ones off the top of our head that we were doing today, Polygon as well, are coming down and they're finding that 20 moving average as a decent bit of support potentially for the bounce. So we would anticipate Verasity coming back down to here with everything, having a bit of a cooling off phase in the past few days. So for our short-term price predictions, we would say, you know, Veracity is probably going to roll over, isn't it? And find that support of that 20 moving average coming down to, what would this be? Probably around 2.5 cents. And then obviously we do have this previous range high at around 2.45-ish cents. That resistance flipped into support, hopefully. Coming back down like this is very strong support as well. And obviously the 55 coming up something like this would be an extremely strong level of support as well, we would say, considering the massive uptrend that we have been in. So that would be our short-term price prediction to the downside. To the upside, we would say if we do start to come up and challenge this level again, after maybe a bounce off this bottom, we come back up like this. Do anticipate the next level, really. I mean, realistically, we don't have any more levels apart from the all-time high at around 5.5 cents. So if we do start to break this level, I mean, it's looking pretty golden for a bit of a run-up, isn't it? A bit of a run-up all the way up to that all-time high. So those would be our short-term price prediction for Veracity. Obviously, it's looking really strong, isn't it? It's had a really, really good bounce off the downside, and now it's just looking to find a bit of support. Now that we've had this huge bounce, we want to make that higher low, so we can have that, you know, basically that nice little reversal off the bottom. So those will be our short-term price predictions. And then long-term, we do strongly think that Veracity, you know, considering, let's just take a look at the fib extensions here for the remainder of the bull run. Obviously from our high to our low here, we can see, you know, potentially coming up to around that $1 level. That would be very, very nice to see for Veracity. And we do think that Veracity can hit $1, especially considering how small its market cap is. If we do start to see a crazy alt season, we could be looking at seeing Veracity at 10, 20, 30 cents maybe in the next few months. And then going into the remainder of the bull run with that really parabolic final move, we could be looking at potentially, you know, as high as around that 50 cents to $1 region, which would be around, you know, here to here. Going into that 227 extension, which would be a, you know, a massive move, but it's not unprecedented at all. But just take a look at what Veracity did on its previous impulsive move here. You can see, I mean, it absolutely smashed the 227 out of the water, didn't it? We're not saying that'll happen again because this was a crazy parabolic move, but you know, it just puts it into perspective with a market cap as low as Veracity's, that there's a good amount of chance for growth, isn't there? So update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.